Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to see a demo on QLIKVIEW. Before starting the demo, let me introduce myself. I'm Anand. I'm working as a BA Analytics IT PM, Technical PM for the different analytical tools. In my profile, it is QLIKVIEW, Tableau, MSBI. I'm working for all these different tools apart from the different databases like Tableau, QLIKVIEW, databases like Oracle, SQL Server, MySQL, Teradata. Those are the different things. My area of working is mainly on this data side, data analytical tool side. And I have around 12 plus years of experience in all these different technologies. And let's start with the what exactly QLIKVIEW is. So, actually, important demo. Yes. So let's start regarding the QLIKVIEW. Before going to the QLIKVIEW, we need to understand what exactly this, how exactly these tools are, or what's the use of these BI tools. What does the BI means basically? First of all, see, the BI means it's a business intelligence. Business intelligence means what? A business intelligence means is doing a business in intelligence manner. How exactly? Like sitting in front of computer, a top management need to take in a business decisions, like how the sales are going on, in which region we are doing a better business, and in which region we need to focus more on the customer improvement or customer satisfactions, or where is the majority of sales are happening, or which area the low sales are happening, so that we can take certain decisions and improve that area sales. So this all type of questions in day-to-day life of the business we need to answer. Only we can answer these things if you have a data with you. If you have a data, we can answer these questions to answers like what is my sales and all these things. But the most challenge today is the data is collected very frequently and from the vast areas. It's not only like a single source. You can see the data you can collect from the either from Excel sheet, either from Oracle, either from MySQL, either from CSV file, either from XML. The data is coming from variety of gathering a data from multiple sources is happening. So when the gathering the data from multiple sources are happening, then challenges starts here. Like how to take out the information out of this data. That is the area where the business intelligence tools started coming into picture. So let us understand in a live manner. Let us take in a scenario you have in your office at 3 areas. Let us take it is your office is at US, and the US people are maintaining the data at Oracle. UK, the data is maintained in MySQL, SQL Server, Microsoft MS SQL Server, and India, data is maintained at suppose Excel. Now in this way, different companies are there. Again, you can introduce like Canada or Germany, and they are maintaining the data in suppose CSV format. CSV format. Now, my requirement is as a business owner, I am sitting here and I want to analyze how exactly my business is going on. To analyze the business, basically, what is the expectation? We have to get the data, and the data should be seen by the end user. He have to see the data, and he have to see the end user. But if you approach the end user, if we approach directly US clients, he will get only US details, right? He will not get UK details. But does he interested only? He will get only USA details if he touch the US people. But is he interested in US details actually? He is interested in overall picture of my sales. So to approach a overall sales, what you have to do? You have to go back to each and every region wise sales he have to collect. If we collect each and every sales also, the problem is he will not get overall picture, because we have to integrate it, we have to add up, we have to sum all the data, then only he can get the picture. So this problem will not work out. So what we have to do to overcome this problem, we have came up with a new solution. Whenever the data is distributed in multiple regions, what we thought is, why can't we integrate this data in a single point? That is, extracting a data from India, extracting a data from US, extracting a data from UK, and extracting data from Germany, and then load into a common database. Okay? And I am calling this as a common database. This is how exactly evolution of the ETL has started. This is common DB. Now what is going to happen? If you extract, now what the solution we have proposed is, we are extracting a data from different sources and loading into common DB. Because of this, what is going to happen? Now if end user, if he is interested, he is sitting here, okay, the end user, end customer is sitting here, and he want to analyze the data. Now he need not to go to US or UK or India. What he will do is simply make a query on the common DB. If he connect to common DB, he will get a data, whatever the data he is required. Overall sales he required, and all the data for US, UK, India, Germany, all the data is available at common database. So he can simply write a single line of one query and he will get it. He will write a SQL query. Let's imagine the common database is SQL Server. So what is going to happen? This is a warehouse now. All the data from different sources are loaded into data warehouse, and the person who is sitting here, end customer, he is going to write an query and he is going to see the data. This is about data and this is about the common DB. But end customer may not feel happy just simply writing technical queries. End customer need a simplified version. Why he will write a queries, why he will write a technical things, he want some simple report. That is where the concept of a report started. What we have done, we have introduced a concept called as a report, and the report can contains data plus visualization. Data and plus visualization. How you are doing? Millions of records you don't want to show to the end user. What you want to do? You want to summarize the details as a data table, and you want to show the details in terms of visual things like charts, graphs, line charts, bar charts, all these things. So if you do like this, what is going to happen? He can easily understand the end customer how exactly my monthly sales are going on or yearly sales are going on. All these things he can get to an idea. Now let us understand how this whole process we will tap to technical terms. When we are loading a data from different sources, that is called as extraction. What is this? Extraction. Extraction means what? Gathering a data from multiple sources. As we said, business intelligence means what? Gathering the data from multiple sources. And here also I am gathering a data from multiple sources. And then what I am doing here, I am loading into common database. Loading into common database. Now, and then what we are doing, we are presenting as a reports. Reports are dashboard. Reports to end customers. Now, these are the steps happened. Now let me tell you one problem with this scenario. If the Oracle people, if the people at US, if they are typing like Delhi, DEL, okay, UK people are typing DELHI, D only. India people, they are typing DL, and German people, they are typing DLL. They are using their own shortcut keys to represent one particular city, and that city is our head office. But head office city name, no one is typing properly. They are US people are typing their own shortcut, UK people are typing their own shortcut, India people are typing their own shortcut, German people are following their own shortcut for the same city. If it is going to happen like this, the data which is loaded into common database, there also you will see like this: DL, D, D, DL, DLL. So like this, the different data you are going to see on the same city is represented in different way. If same city is represented different way in common database, it is the end user when he is trying to access a daily details, he will not see proper detail. He will miss all this DL, DL, DLL, D, del. The reason is they are not uniformly presented here. To make uniform presenting, what we have to do? We have to, before loading into common database, we should filter the data and we have to modify the data basically. So that is where we are doing here. That we are doing before passing to common database, we are doing a correction. DL should map to daily. Like this changes we are doing. Then D should go as a daily. DL should go as a daily. So like this, I am changing the data in between. So then what is going to happen when the data loaded into common database? Everywhere the city name will be common. So now the data is corrected. So this type of step is called as transformation. Now if you understand this picture completely, once again revising that your first step is extracting a data. You are extracting a data from different sources like Excel, SQL Server, Oracle, MySQL, like different sources. Then second step is we are changing the data as per the business need. What is your business need? Based on that you are changing the data. And third step is you are loading the data into some common place. If you see altogether these three steps, then you can realize we are coming to some particular conclusion that is called as extraction transformation loading. That is called as ETL. What do you mean by ETL? Extraction transformation loading. Okay. Once you do the ETL activities, an end user is not interested in your ETL, what you are doing and all. Finally, he wants to see the report. So what we will do? We will use some tools who is going to help you to develop a reports, and those tools are called as reporting tools or data visualization tools. Reports. So basically what we need to reach end customer's goal, I need two things. One is ETL tool I need, and one is reporting tool I need. So so this is what whole story about the ETL plus reporting. So is it the first time in the this idea has got innovated or discovered? It is coming since long years and years, this type of concepts. That means in the market, IT has brought different solutions by different vendors. Like IBM has given the data stage is there. There are many tools. Informatica is there, ETL activity. SSIS is there from Microsoft. ODDI is Oracle is there. SAP DW is there from SAP side. So there are different tools available in the market for ETL. Same way for reporting also we have different tools like Crystal Report was there, Cognos is there, OBI is there, SAP BO is there, SSRS is there from Microsoft. So these are the different tools are available in the market for reporting also. Then where exactly QlikView is standing? Our next concept, whatever the demo is this for the QlikView. So where exactly we are standing as a QlikView, where is the software standing? Among all the BI tools, the QlikView is standing more popular nowadays. The reason is QlikView is providing ETL plus reporting in a single package. If you purchase a QlikView software license, you can do ETL plus you can do the reporting. Whereas rest of other tools For the ETL, you have to purchase one more tool. For the reporting, you have to purchase one more tool. But for the QlikView, it is not the case. Just simply purchasing the QlikView, you can do both ETL and reporting. Now, this is only the basic point I am telling. There are a lot many other points which are compared to any of the tools in the market. They don't have, like in-memory concept is a very common concept, and for the in-memory concept, we have many tools came into market. What exactly in-memory means and all we are going to discuss in the upcoming slides. So this is about the ETL and this is about the reporting. This is the basic idea behind any of the business intelligence tool, not only QlikView, Tableau, SSRS, Cognos, everywhere the same concept. So let us understand our QlikView. Regarding the QlikView. QlikView has came in the market in the very recent times. The name has started coming here and there, but actually the working towards the QlikView by QLIKTECH company has started in 1993. So obviously the question raises in a mind, if the company has started the idea about the innovation of this tool in 1993, then why this many years this tool has become so silent in the market? Very simple question may comes into mind. The reason is QlikView has developed on the in-memory concept. In-memory means a RAM concept, data loading onto RAM, and at that time the RAM was not so highly configured or not supporting those data sizes and all. That's the reason this technology was so hidden to the many people. And now because of the architecture changes, technical hardware changes happens. Hardware has evolved to 32-bit to 64-bit, and it is started supporting as much RAM as you want based on the heavy servers and all. That's the reason this technology is coming front. Now it is taking a front seat instead of back seat. So it is found in 1993, and huge number of customers overall the lot many countries or all the globe. Today you can see many companies which are handling with a huge volume of data. Even the banking domain you can take, even the insurance domain. These are the domains, the banking domains or the insurance domains or automobile domains. These domains will have a huge data compared to any other industries. And this all the industries are focusing only on the QlikView now. So these are the different vendors who are the top vendors who are preferring only for the QlikView. So we can understand where exactly QlikView is standing. When the survey is happened by Forbes, one of the survey, there QlikView stand one of the top 3 technology in the current market after Apple and LinkedIn, where the huge customers are getting towards the one of the product, that is a QlikView. So because of the, if you see the graph of the customers growth is happening since starting from 2004, if you see the graph is gradually increasing and it's going a drastic change towards the heights of the 2015 and 16. So what basically QlikView has made so high, so getting popular? The reason behind any successful thing is the simplicity. As simple you develop a product, that much simply it will click into market. Many people will love to work in those technologies which is simple to easy to deliver the things, at the same time easy to understand also. If you take in a Google has taken the top approach in the search engine. Although in the market there are many search engines was there, but lot of complexity was there. But QlikView has came up with a simple idea: provide a single text box and text type whatever you want, I will take care. Though the backend logic may be very complex, but for the front end end user, end customer, he is simply typing something and he is getting everything what he required. That's how the Google started. And the same way, on the same lines, Apple and Salesforce companies have started with the simplicity, and the same stack you can see QLIKTECH-A is now standing. QLIKTECH-A is also standing in the simplicity concept. QLIKTECH-A is giving a business intelligence things to the business people with a simple solutions. How exactly today data is growing? You can see in the today's generation, data is not only collected by just simply sitting on the computer. Data is collected at tablet, data is collected at mobile, data is collected everywhere. So, and the changes of the data is happening so volatile that we cannot predict how much data I will get in next 1 hour. lot of volatile data is coming, and the speed of the data is too fast, and extremely the data is getting from the all over the globe. It's not only the particular area. So integrating data from different data sources, different data machines, different speed, different regions, these all different type of people's mentality. They not only one person. So because of the faster data getting input, we need such a tools which can support us to take a decisions. That's where the QLIKVIEW is going to come in the picture. This is how the data explosion is happening today. Lot of heavy data is coming, and today's in the world only 22% of people are using a business intelligence to analyze the data. Rest of all the data is going into just a dustbin, because we are unable to take a benefit of data. They need a BI tools, but they are not getting the proper tools. And today's in the world, whatever the BI tools are there, they are giving the solutions, but they are taking huge time to deliver the reports. Like, take a scenario, I want to develop a report for the suppose in the next 1 month, I want to see how is my sales are there and all. To develop these reports, if they are taking 2 months, and I want a report in January month, and he is delivering a month in February, what is the use of such reports? That's what the speed we required. Right data to right people at right time. That's where the QLIKVIEW is standing. Right data, the data should be correct, accurate. Right data at right time. Time should be on the proper time you have to give, and right people. Whatever the report you have developed, it should deliver to right person, not to wrong person. So that is where the QLIKVIEW is standing. It is focusing on the right data to right people at right time. And how exactly QLIKVIEW is a business discovery tool? What we are telling is that it's a business discovery tool. You are going to discover your business without knowingly or unknowingly. With knowingly you are coming with some questions, but when you are going out of this QLIKVIEW tool, when you started using this tool, you will realize that lot many questions you never asked, but it has got answered. You can click anywhere, and the user interface you will give the answers to you. So in this way, because of rapidly changing the data, we can collect the data from different sources. You can see here the Oracle, Teradata, Excel, Salesforce. So any doubts up to here? Okay, so let me go ahead. So this is how the QLIKVIEW has given a different in the market. The reason is the natural analytics, association and visualization is truly happening in the QLIKVIEW. So we will see all this in the live. The traditional BI approach is, if you want to go for, suppose let's take in a scenario, if you want to drill to a city-wise employees. If you want to see a city-wise employees, I have to select country, then first I have to select a region, then I have to select a country, then I have to select a state, then I will select a city, then I will see the employees. But in the QLIKVIEW, it's not like top to bottom approach. It's a associative model. Directly you can go to employee. So QLIKVIEW, whatever the data you are seeing in the QLIKVIEW, that is the actionable data. You can click and you can decide what is happening there. So these are the different type of charts you can develop in the QLIKVIEW. I will show you live. So the benefit of the QLIKVIEW is we are able to build a project, BI projects very faster, which is making a lot of important. So that's the reason we are telling right data to right person at right time. At right time we can develop the projects very faster with help of. Till now in the world, whatever the technologies are there, those all are the report-centric technologies. What do you mean report-centric? Means IT-driven reports we used to develop. So whatever the IT people are developing, the business will tell the requirement, IT people will develop the report, and the end user will see only that report which IT people has generated. But with the help of QLIKVIEW, we are giving a facility to the business users. They can directly generate the reports as per their requirement, or they can analyze the report as per their requirement. You'll see in the upcoming sessions what is a different components are there. I can tell the couple of components are like QlikView Publisher is there, QlikView Server is there, QlikView Desktop is there, and desktop is the main area where our developers will work on the development of the QlikView. Publisher and server only for the published QlikView documents. So these are the different communities are available. We have the QlikView community.QlikView.com, where we can register ourselves, and then we can read the solutions or the issues, discussions and all. So this is helping a lot to learn more and more things. So we'll see in the upcoming session what is the QlikView architecture and all. QlikView architecture basically contains three components: QlikView Desktop, QlikView Server and QlikView Publisher. QlikView Desktop, what is the use of QlikView Desktop means to extract a data from different sources, do a transformation that is nothing but data modeling, and then give a visualization. Whereas QlikView Server to publish the documents, and QlikView Publisher to when the end user want to view a report, the QlikView Publisher is going to take care of that and the security and all. That's where the right time, right people and right decision, all the question and answers you are going to get with the help of QlikView architecture. You can see here the QlikView architecture is like QlikView Desktop. Here you are creating QlikView document, you are loading into QlikView Server, and QlikView Publisher is taking care of whom to access and whom not to access the reports and all. We'll discuss all these things in the upcoming sessions. So you can see the traditional BI, as I said, if I want to see the salesperson in a particular, who is a particular product, who is sold by which salesperson, I want to select this region, then state, then product, then salesperson. But whereas in associative model, you can directly select a region or state, and you can see based on that the product. So this is how the associative model. So I will show the live how exactly QlikView dashboard and all going to look. See, this is the dashboard. The green means you have selected, white means which is associated, and gray means not associated. So you can see here how exactly QlikView in the today's world. In a memory tool means there are the three tools available in the market. That is QlikView, Tableau and Spotfire. Spotfire is not in the competition, so I can eliminate that product. The only product which is available in the competition is a Tableau. And to learn a Tableau, basically there is a learning skill wise, it is a little complicated, and the implementation wise a QlikView is so excellent. You can see the ratings here. QlikView implementation is a speed, whereas Tableau speed is okay, it's an average. Price wise it is good. Dashboards, we can generate a very excellent dashboards through QlikView. And you can see the main important point is, and for the developers, if you want to write a script, you are not learning any new technology for the QlikView. Whereas if you go for the Tableau, if you want to write a new any programming script or something in the Tableau, you have to learn a new programming, that is the R programming. Whereas in the QlikView, a basic SQL knowledge is enough. That's what the benefit of the QlikView. QlikView is basically depends upon the RAM. As I said, it's an in-memory tool. What is happening in memory tool means what are the data you are loading into QlikView, the millions of rows, those rows are going to load it into RAM so that the retrieval will be faster. So this is how we data modeling and all we are going to design, and we will see. So if any questions, please let me know. Otherwise, I will show a live demo to you how exactly QlikView will look. QlikView application. I'm opening the QlikView application. Once you open the QlikView, in this way QlikView application will open. You have a couple of sample applications ready to you to explore how exactly QlikView will look. Like take in a scenario, like expenses management. If you see here expenses management, a dashboard is available and it is showing how exactly expenses is happening for the particular department wise. Like take if I select this department, in marketing department, see, this is what the actual trend, this is the budget, this is the employees. So this all the report is going to get refreshed automatically. In the quarter 1 and quarter 2, if you want to see, just select the quarter 1, quarter 2, or everywhere the quarter 1, quarter 2 results are refreshing. If I select particular month, see, none of the applications are today in the market is providing clicking on the charts and all directly. You can directly interact with the charts also here. See, I'm just selecting the particular Q1, Q2, Q2, Q4. That's it. So select only Q1, only Q1 is coming. Suppose I am interested in only November sales, select the November. November only December, select the December. So in this way, just clicking on the data reports and you are able to analyze. Whereas in the traditional reports, you have to follow only that process. I can click anywhere on the data report. It's not like only these particular steps. Whereas in the earlier traditional reporting tools, we have to follow the top-down approach. The developer will tell what exactly we have to do, based on that only we used to do. But whereas here in the QlikView, once the end user can start, and as a developer we have developed this report and I have shared to customer. Now if you want to see like particular employee, how exactly he has done the expenses, select the particular employee. Just you can see, he is from sales department Sweden. His actual sales is this much, his budget is this much, this is what the operations he has done, this is where the 2% of miscellaneous expenditures he has done. In the quarter 1, quarter 3, quarter 4, what the sales he has done. Suppose I am interested in only quarter 1 sales, select only quarter 1. You can see only quarter 1 sales is this much. If I am interested in November budget, I can select only November thing. I will see November details. Only November details I am seeing. So in this way, we can explore more details without knowingly or unknowingly. So this is how the QlikView. So you can see how fast we are developing the QlikView. Let me show you the simple application, a sample application, how to develop a QlikView application. Click on the new. This window will open. Control E for edit script, or you can click here, file and edit script. You can go for the scripting area. Scripting area is the area which is provided for writing the ETL scripts, like data modeling scripts. So you are getting this window, and here I want to load a file. See, as I said, loading a data in QlikView, you can load the data from different sources. So you can load the data from data files or from the database. So let us load from data files, table files. I'm loading the data, like let me take in a data like set analysis data. I will take. I have loaded the data. You are seeing, you're not writing a single line of code to load a data from Excel or from any database. Just simply selected the this table. Make sure the embedded labels. If you don't select embedded labels, you will get a labels like this way. To make embedded labels, I will show in detail while the session. So you are seeing a table is loaded here. Control R reload button. It is going to write a query, save the document. I am telling QlikView demo Jan. Okay. Now see, data is loaded. Control R, Control T. Control T for table viewer. We are seeing these are the tables loaded into QlikView. Preview the data. You are able to see the data is loaded into QlikView. Now data is loaded. Now what is the next step? When the data is available within the QlikView, we have to start visualization. Let's start visualization. I want to add, see, product wise, I want to see in year wise what is my sales. Or country, put a country. The new list box. Category, put a category. Within a few minutes, we are able to build a beautiful dashboard. Whereas if you want to do the same thing in any other technology, it will take long time, maybe the months also. I'm generating one chart, and you can see how easily I am able to generate. I'm just selecting a chart. I'm providing what is the dimension. I want to see, like category wise, I want to see the sales. Select category wise, sum of sales. That's it. Suppose I'm not interested in a single color. I'm interested in multicolor. That's simply what you have to do. Just a property setting, colors and multicolor. If now apply multicolor chart. You can see how easily we are able to generate a charts within a few minutes. Suppose this orientation of the chart you didn't like. A chart style you want to change. I want to follow this style. I can follow this. Now someone want to analyze the details, like in Canada, what is my sales currently? Select India. In India, what is my sales? In beverages, this is the sales. So you can analyze easily. If you want to see the values on the charts, so just simply give the values on data points. Now you can see values on data points. Suppose I am interested only in the beverages, or only on these three products. Just select the three products. I will see 3 products sales. This is going. So in this way, in the faster mode, we can develop the dashboard and we can start visualizing the things. I'm not interested in this chart. Suppose I want to change the chart style. Simply go to presentation or go to the chart. I want to change this chart to line chart or pie chart. So this is how exactly helping you to develop the visualization in a faster mode. So QlikView is helping you to give a data visualizations in a faster mode with a different type of charts and visualization objects. So this is how we can develop a simple QlikView dashboard. Any doubts up to here? Or any doubts in the QlikView demo, you can ask now, otherwise we can wind up the session.